There are three ways to join the text. If you see here, we have option of three names: first name, second name and last name. We want to join the first, second and last name, so we'll use concat function, concatenate function also, text join, and use and sign. So let's try with the concat text. System is asking which text you want to join. The first text will be obviously first name, then second text, then third text, then close the bracket. But here there is no space. System just join first name, second name and last name. For this, how to add the space, we will edit our formula. I will do it again. Concat first name, quotation mark, space, quotation mark. So this space mark will be between first name and second name. Then second text, then quotation mark, space, quotation mark. So this space will be between second name and last name. Then last text and close the bracket. So you will see here now first, second and last name are joined, and there is space between three names or two names. You can drag it down, this one. And the second option is simply text join. Let's try this. Text join. Delimiter means system is asking, in the previous formula we specify the space, so system is asking what will be the delimiter between first, second and third name. So delimiter will be space again. Delimiter, ignore empty cell, yes, then first, then second, then third text, close the bracket. So you will see now text is joined. You can use this formula without specifying each and every column. Let's do it again. Text join, delimiter same like before, space, ignore empty cell, yes, then we can simply give the range and close, so it will also work. And the third one is use of AND key, AND function. This and then you need to use quotation mark, space again, then again and to join second name, then again and to join space, then again and to join third name. So this will be the formula. So you can see here all the three ways to join the text. In this case it is not limited to 3 column. You can add 4 column, 5 column, 6 column according to your requirement. Thank you.